Welcome back to Reviews Heaven. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best electric tea kettles to make your mornings smoother and your tea or coffee prep faster than ever. Whether you're after quick boiling, sleek design, or reliable safety features, we've got options that fit every need and style. We'll be showcasing kettles with standout features like auto shutoff, boil dry protection, and powerful heating, ideal for any kitchen. If you're ready to upgrade your tea or coffee routine, stay tuned. And remember, all the product links are in the description box below, so you can check them out and find the perfect fit for your home. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. COSORI Electric Kettle. First, let's dive into the COSORI Electric Kettle, a standout kitchen gadget with impressive features. This kettle uses a 1,500-watt British Strix thermostat, rapidly boiling water in minutes, making it a faster, safer option compared to microwaves or stoves. Ideal for tea, coffee, and even instant meals, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. One of its key features is a stainless steel inner lid and filter, ensuring that water never touches plastic, even if other kettles with glass or stainless exteriors do. Safety is also a priority with automatic shutoff and boil dry protection, giving users peace of mind. The COSORI kettle has a drip-free spout and scald-proof lid, designed for smooth pouring and added protection. A sleek blue LED light signals when water is boiling, making it convenient even in a dim kitchen. For anyone looking to streamline their kitchen routine, this kettle is a game changer. Its quick boil capability saves time on brewing coffee, making ramen, or even prepping water for pasta. Number 2. Chefman Electric Kettle. Now, we're taking a look at the Chefman 1.8L Electric Kettle, a reliable solution for fast and efficient boiling. With 1,500 watts of power, it heats water in just 3 minutes, making it ideal for tea, coffee, oatmeal, and more. The sleek borosilicate glass design, combined with stainless steel accents and blue LED lights, adds a modern touch to any kitchen. One standout feature is its large 1.8-liter capacity, perfect for serving hot beverages to a crowd. The Chefman kettle also prioritizes safety with automatic shutoff and boil dry protection, giving users peace of mind. Its lift-out lid and stainless steel filter make filling and cleaning effortless, so it's always ready for use. This kettle's cordless design and 360-degree swivel base make pouring easy and mess-free, and the cool touch handle ensures safe, comfortable handling. With a 1-year warranty from Chefman, this kettle promises durability and convenience. Overall, the Chefman electric kettle offers a blend of style, speed, and ease, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Number 3. Amazon Basics Electric Kettle. Let's check out the Amazon Basics 1-liter electric kettle, a compact and powerful tool for all your hot water needs. With a 1,500-watt heating element, this kettle brings water to a rolling boil in just minutes, perfect for tea, coffee, hot cocoa, or even instant soups. This kettle offers safety and ease with automatic shutoff and boil dry protection, so you can turn it on and walk away without worry. The cordless stainless steel carafe lifts easily off the base, making serving effortless, and a water-level window ensures precise filling every time. Designed for everyday convenience, it has a cool touch handle, a removable filter for easy cleaning, and a BPA-free construction for safe use. Its 30-inch cord wraps neatly under the base for a clutter-free countertop. For those seeking a simple, efficient, and budget-friendly electric kettle, the Amazon Basics model is a solid choice. It combines style, convenience, and safety in one reliable package. Number 4. OVENTE Glass Electric Kettle. Now, we're looking at the OVENTE Glass Electric Kettle, a stylish and efficient addition to any kitchen. With its 1.5-liter capacity and 1,100-watt power, this kettle quickly brings water to a boil, ideal for coffee, tea, soup, or oatmeal. Its modern design, highlighted by a blue LED light ring when in use, adds a touch of elegance to any countertop. Constructed from heat-tempered borosilicate glass and stainless steel, The OVENTE kettle is built to last and is stain-resistant. Safety features include automatic shut-off and boil-dry protection, ensuring that it powers off once water boils, or when the carafe is empty. The kettle also has a stay-cool handle and a flip-back lid for easy filling and cleaning. This kettle is 50% more energy efficient than traditional stovetops, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Its compact design, with a 360-degree swivel base and cord storage, keeps your countertop clutter-free. For those who value both style and functionality, the OVENTE glass electric kettle is a great pick, blending practicality with eye-catching design. Number 5. COMFEE Stainless Steel Electric Kettle. Let's take a look at the COMFEE Stainless Steel Electric Kettle, a reliable choice for quick and safe boiling. With 1,500 watts of power, this kettle heats up 1.7 liters of water in just 5 to 7 minutes, making it faster than a microwave and perfect for your morning tea or coffee. This kettle is made from 304 food-grade stainless steel and BPA-free materials, ensuring safe, clean water every time. Its built-in LED light indicator and easy-to-view water window make monitoring the boiling process simple and convenient. Safety features include an automatic shut-off and boil-dry protection, adding an extra layer of security. Designed with comfort in mind, the COMFEE kettle has a cool touch handle and a pop-up lid for safe handling. The 360-degree swivel base and compact power cord storage keep your countertop neat and make pouring a breeze. For those seeking an efficient, stylish, and easy-to-clean kettle, the COMFEE Stainless Steel Electric Kettle is a great option that blends convenience with safety. Thanks for watching today's review on the top 5 best electric tea kettles. We hope you found the perfect kettle to upgrade your kitchen. Don't forget to check out all the product links in the description box below. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next review.